Hi, today I'm going to show about the executive summary app of Easysales. So we'll call this as Boss app also. So in Boss app, we have 5 type of modules which have dashboard, sales, collections, sales order and order approval. So I'll start off with dashboard. So in the dashboard, we can check out the orders, the sales, the collection of the company. We can check out through the date, which date we want. And then not only that, we can check out of top customer sales, the collection amount and then the highest investment. So this is the dashboard. It's a short brief of the summary of the company. Next, we'll go on with the sales report. So we can check out in the date, using the date, we can check out which salesperson, item, category, month or customer we want to choose and check out through the net price or gross sales. So the report will appear here. Thirdly, we will go on to the collection report. Collection report is the same. We can choose it through the date, which salesperson, customer, month, and then once we search, the report will appear here. Next, we'll go on with the sales order. Sales order, we can check out the sales order through the date, the delivery date. We can choose the salesperson, we can choose the customer. Once we search, the confirm order will appear here. So we can check out the confirm order, what are the products that the company or the customer has ordered. So we can check out all the sales order of the each of the customer here. Lastly, we can check out the order approval. So we can check out any of the customer that wants the order approval, or so it will appear the order approval. So in the approval history, we can check out the products of the company that has ordered. So once you have to approve the order approval, so we can check out all the details here. So this is the simple boss app or executive summary app of Easysales here. So it is very simple for the boss or bosses to be used here. Thank you.